Welcome to this module. My name is Ms. Emma Fernandez, Assistant Professor in Botany from Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Sakli, Goa. This program is designed for the students of Bachelor of Science, first year, in the subject of Botany, Semester 1, Course Code BOG 101, Course Title, Environmental Biotechnology. The title of this unit is Sustainable Development. Module name Economics and Environment, Tragedy of Commons. In this module, we shall see the concept of tragedy of commons, examples of tragedy of commons, and solution to tragedy of commons. At the end of this module, the student will explain the concept of tragedy of commons, cite the examples of tragedy of commons, and deduce some solutions to tragedy of commons. The tragedy of commons states that the individual acting independently and rationally according to one's self-interest behave contrary to the best interest of the whole group by depleting some common resource. The word commons means resources such as atmosphere, oceans, rivers, fish stocks, office refrigerator, and energy. In the year 1833, the English economist William Forster Lloyd published a pamphlet which included a hypothetical example of overuse of a common resource. This was the situation of cattle herders sharing a common parcel of land on which they were each entitled to let their cows graze, as was the custom in English villages. He postulated that if a herder put more than his allotted number of cattle on the common, overgrazing could result. As you can see here, the herder has increased his cattle from 2 to 4 in number. For each additional animal, a herder could receive additional benefits, while the whole group shared the resulting damage to the commons. If all the herders made this individually rational economic decision, the common could be depleted or even destroyed to the detriment of all. As you can see here, there are 3 herders having more than 1 cattle in the common ground. Thus, the tragedy of commons concept is often cited in the connection with sustainable development, which interconnecting economic growth and environmental protection. Now, let us see some of the examples of tragedy of commons. The first example is uncontrolled human population growth, which is leading to overpopulation. Second one is air, whether ambient air polluted by industrial emissions and cars, among other sources of air pollution, or just an indoor air. Third one is the oceans, in which overfishing is taking place. Fourth is the forest, frontier logging of old growth forest and slash and burn cultivation practice is being carried out. Next example is energy resources and climate, wherein environmental residue of mining and drilling, burning of fossil fuels, and consequential global warming is occurring. Next example, animals. Here, the habitat destruction. Next example is animals, habitat destruction and poaching leading to the Holocene mass extinction. Next is water. Here, the water pollution, water crisis of over-extraction of groundwater and wasting water due to over-irrigation. So these were some of the examples of tragedy of commons occurring in our day-to-day life. Now let us see some of the solution to this tragedy of commons. If we consider a typical example, the governmental regulations can limit the amount of common good that is available for use by an individual. Next, permit systems for extractive economic activities including mining, fishing, hunting, livestock raising, and timber extraction are such examples of this approach. Similarly, limits to pollution are examples of governmental intervention on behalf of the commons. Alternative to this solution, a resource user themselves can cooperate to conserve the resource in the name of mutual benefit. Another solution for this tragedy of commons would be, for some resources, is to convert common good into private property, giving the new owner an incentive to enforce its sustainability. So these are some of the solutions through which we can control the tragedy of commons. These are my references. Thank you.